What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I know a lot of you came here to this channel from the Dodge Charger, which is right here behind me. But today, I'm about to be working on the Mercedes-Benz, about to replace the air suspension on it because it's bad. So as you guys can see, this is the Black Panther right here. So I will be taking the transmission out of it. If you guys can probably see over there, I got the motor right there. I am doing an MDS delete on that. But if you guys do want to see that video, make sure you guys just stay tuned. This video right now is about the Mercedes. So yeah, right now, the suspension is lowered. So I'm about to go ahead and replace these airbags real quick. As you guys can see, it's low. It's just real low. But I will be replacing this fender right here though. I will be replacing the rear suspension. But right now I'm doing the fronts. So FedEx should be delivering it today. So I'm about to go ahead and kill two birds with one stone and take this front suspension off. That one is gonna probably be done more likely on Friday. All right, so I went ahead and got it taken out. It was a pain in the ass, but I did have to hammer this one down because it was literally like stuck. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks on the inside. So this is the blown bags right here. This one right here was just tore up. This is literally how it was when it came out. This one is bad as well. Eventually I'm gonna replace the compressor, but I'm waiting for that to come in, which is probably not gonna be till Monday, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace these and then wait for FedEx to deliver the new ones and pretty much do it in reverse order. And we're gonna see how this thing raises back up. All right guys, so I did get the new Airmatic suspension in. So basically it's gonna be the reverse process. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy back in and see if it fixed the problem. So if you guys see right here, I got an Allen key in here. So if this thing starts spinning, you want to get you a 16 and an Allen key, pretty much twist it like that. But I already got it locked in. So usually they don't show you that part, but you will need an Allen key to go in here and then use a 16 to twist this on. So I got the new ones in. As you guys can see, yep, got the new boys in now. Got everything bolted down. Lines hooked up. That side is complete. Let's go ahead and put these tires on. So went ahead and got it lowered. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of sitting pretty high right now, but about to go ahead and turn this car on so it can adjust. So as you guys can see, it did lower. So, yep, got that bad boy fixed. Now I'm about to go ahead and see how this thing drives. It's starting to adjust back. Everything's starting to balance back out. See the back's raised up. So right now it's just kind of like low, taking out some of the air to put it at the ride height that it's supposed to be at. So as you guys can see, it's no longer slammed. That's exactly what I want. The backs are raised up. I'm still gonna replace the backs, and I'm still gonna replace the compressor. I just like to do regular maintenance. You know, when you driving a Benz or have a Benz, just do the proper maintenance, man, and the car will last you. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see right there, I got the compressor, but my ride height is sitting good. Ride smooth. I do got to change the front tires though. This is gonna be in a separate video. I'll show you guys what it look like. So this is the new compressor OEM. Shout out to Mercedes for hooking me up. But yeah, I got a lot of things to do to this car, man. Got to fix the AC, got to put a new power steering pump in it and all that good stuff, the reservoir, change out the fender, all that. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. I hope you guys did like it, but make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm about to transform this whole thing right here. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.